Hey, it's Design Guy here. Let's dive into easy fixes to get picture-in-picture working again.
If picture-in-picture mode isn't working on your iPhone, which can be really frustrating, let's head to Settings to troubleshoot and find a solution. This is where we can adjust and fix the issue. Go to Settings and then to General Settings to access the relevant options. In General Settings, look for Picture-in-Picture to adjust its settings. By clicking on this, you can easily turn picture-in-picture on or off as needed. Enabling picture-in-picture mode allows you to multitask during FaceTime calls or video playback, essentially letting you use other apps while still watching or chatting, which is really convenient. So when we swipe up, our video call or FaceTime call screen conveniently remains visible here, allowing us to multitask, and we can then swipe to access our home screen, keeping our call or video active and still accessible in the background, which is really handy for referencing other apps or information while on a call. Fixing PIAP issues on iPhone and iPad is a breeze. Check the description for an exclusive offer. Like and subscribe.